Is water unique to Earth? In fact, not. The solar system there is a super large water ball. It is above the water than the Earth more. In the distance from the Earth, about 628 million kilometers away, Jupiter has an ice pier, is quietly brushing the sense of existence. It is the solar system's largest satellite, Jovian. This 5,262 kilometers in diameter of the big guy, then Mercury is still 8% larger, but the mass is only half of Mercury, a little fat, but it is the real Mercury. Its surface is covered with 150 kilometers thick ice shell mask. Scientists have found through the Hubble telescope this layer of ice shell hidden under the liquid ocean up to 100,000 meters deep. The amount of water as high as 15 billion cubic kilometers. If these water to the Earth, the world will be left with only an isolated island, Mount Everest. Where did the water on this satellite come from? Mainly from the early solar system Courier comets, with a large gift of ice frequently hit Io, sent the first source of water. Later, geological activity in Io's interior began to cook the pot, rock friction heat, melting the ice, forming a continuous supply of geothermal springs. The Juno probe recently found sodium chloride and aliphatic aldehydes on its surface, which is like finding a salt shaker and seasoning packet in a frozen castle. Io also has a radiation shield that is unique to the moons of the solar system. It has an iron-nickel core that generates a magnetic field like an induction coil, which is only 1% of Earth's, but is enough to deflect Jupiter's ferocious radiation belts and protect the underwater world from drying out. The discovery excited scientists, and it turns out that moons can bring their own golden bell, which opens up a new direction in the search for extraterrestrial life. Many scientists, while gazing at Io's ice sheet, pondered whether there could be life down here. With the Europa Express program set to land on Io in the 2030s, and China's Sound Search program developing exoplanet detection technology, mainly to look for extraterrestrial life, Io has become a key focus. Maybe someday we'll find microbes under Io's ice, or cultivate hardy organisms in Titan's methane lakes. Of course, we can't just focus on Jupiter's moons. Jupiter itself is also quite important to humanity.